In this video, we will be solving our question number 11, which is count items matching a rule. So let's move to the question now. So the question says you are given an array items where each items at I is equal to type at I, color at I, name at I. Describes the type, color and name of ith item. You are also given a rule represented by two strings, rule key and rule value. So we are given two input values, which is rule key here and rule value, and both of them are string. So let's see. The ith item is said to match the rule if one of the following is true. Rule key is equal to type and rule value is equal to type at I. So let me explain you what the question wants to say. Let's take this example number 1. Okay, so here there is only one item matching the given rule. So our rule is that the rule key must be equal to color and rule value must be equal to silver. So these are the colors: blue, silver and gold. Among all of them, only one color is equal to silver, which is silver. Silver and silver are equal, so our output will only be 1. Let's see this example. In this, we are given rule key is equal to type and rule value is equal to phone. So here the types are phone, computer and phone. So here two are equal to the rule value, this one phone and this another phone. So our output will be 1. Let me explain you this more deeply. So see, so we are given a matrix, or you can say list of lists, something like this. This matrix will only contain three rows. It cannot three columns. It cannot contain more than 3 columns or less than 3 columns. So the first column, or you can say the 0th column, this is the 0th column. This represents the type. It is the type. And this first column, this represents the color, is equal to rule key is equal to color. And this our second column represent, basically the index of this column is 2, but this is our third column, so this represents name. uh, let's see this. Phone is type, blue is color and pixel is the name. Similarly, computer is type, silver is color and Lenovo is the name. So let's see what we have to do here is, so if our rule key is equal to type, we will fix our column to 0. If the rule key is if we are given rule key is equal to color, so we will fix our column to 1. Let's see this example. In this example, we are given rule key is equal to color, so we will fix our column to 1. That is, we will search in only this column. We do not need to search in all these columns. In this example, we are given rule key is equal to type, so we will search only in this 0th column. So let's try to code this. First of all, we want to return count. So let me zoom in a bit. So let's define our count first. Int count is equal to 0, and we need to return this count. Return count. Okay. So let's see now. So first of all, let's define our column. Int column is equal to 0, and if our rule key dot equals, in strings we cannot use is equal to, we use dot equals. This is the method. This is same as equal to. Dot equals, what were the rule keys? So if the rule key is type, our column, we will fix our column to 0. If rule key is equal to color, which means if rule key dot equals color, we will fix our column to 1. And similarly, if our rule key is equal to name, if rule key dot equals name, we will fix our column to 2. Okay, now let's search in all the rows and the column will remain fixed. For int row is equal to 0, row is less than list dot size, row plus plus. Okay, so now we will check if list dot get row dot get column dot equals to my rule value, dot equals rule value. So basically they have defined the list name, which is items. So let me change this, all of this to items. Items, okay. Items dot get row dot get column dot equals rule value. Then we will do count plus plus, and at last we will be returning count. So let's try to run this code. So there is some error. Okay, so these were string. The rule key, the value of rule key is in string, so we need to put them in inverted commas. Let's do it. Okay, we need to do it one by one. Let's try to run now. Okay, let's try to submit this. See, 95% faster. Okay, let's dry run this on example number 1. So what's happening here is, for example number 1, for example number 1, we are given our rule key is equal to color, and rule value is equal to silver. Okay, so we are given this thing for our example number 1. So first of all, we defined our count is equal to 0, then our column is 0. Now it goes inside this if condition. It checks if rule key dot equals color, which is true. So it will fix our column to 1. Our column will be updated with 1. Now it will go inside this if condition. It will check rule key dot equals name, which is false. So our column will remain 1. Now our column is fixed. Now we will run this for loop, which is for rows. It will start from row is equal to 0 and go till less than items dot size. That is, in this we are having total, in this example we are having total 3 rows, 1 2 3. So it will go up till 2, which is our, it will check for this row, 0th row, first row and second row. Okay, and row plus plus. Now when my row is 0, that is this is 0, and column will remain and column will always remain fixed to 1 due to this if condition. Now it will check if items that is uh, the item present at 0th row and first column, which is this equal to the rule value, which is silver, which is no. So this count will not get updated. Now the row will be updated and row will become 1. So it will check in the first row, this row, and the column is fixed, so it will check for this item. Is silver is equal to silver? Yes, it is equal. So count will get updated. Now our count has become 1. Now this row will become 2. Yeah, it will check in this row for this item. Is gold equal to silver? Which is no. So this for loop will break and we will return our count, that is 1. So it was a pretty simple question. I hope you understood it well.